Guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Lush Wig. Alright, it says Lush Wig Virgin here. It has all their social media listed on the box, even their WhatsApp number. It's a simple packaging, guys. This happened through the customs when it was being shipped, so you know, don't mind that. Obviously I opened the box already, but yeah, so when I opened the box I see the wig, and before I get into that, let's see what else we got. So I got a pair of lashes. Like, these lashes are so dramatic. It's nice though. I really like the style. I got a rat tail comb, and I got 2 of these clips, which I always love getting because now I can add this to my collection. This is the wig we're working with today. So it's like a body wave natural color. I believe this is 150% in density. So capped construction. Okay, so this is like a lace front wig, but like I'd say semi-lace front. It's lace front, you know, because it comes all the way here with the lace, but they have a fake scalp portion. So they also bleached the knots, if you look carefully here, at the front. And I always love the appearance of a nice fake scalp, you know. That's really cool. It makes everything look more skin or scalp like at the parting. You see that? And yeah, they also added an extra elastic band in there for more security, so you could go completely adhesiveless with this. Also, we have adjustable straps in the back, so you can make the wig more snugged if it's too loose, and you can make it looser if it's too tight. This is also a medium cap size that I got. Always medium cap size to me. That's just the size I wear. Yeah, and it's a center part that it came in. I'm going to actually rock it with that. As you can see, they're pre-curled wigs, so that's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into applying this right now. It's really cute, and as today I'm actually using a different adhesive, giving Got to Be a break today. I've actually had this from a while ago, my olive oil super hold spray, but I gave it a pause using it because I don't feel like it gave me a really strong hold on my first time trying it. But I'm going to give it another chance and see how it reacts today. I have this along with the grip gel, so I feel like I'll use the 2 of them, because the first time I tried it I did not use a grip gel in combination, so maybe that's what I did wrong. I don't know. So we're gonna try that out today, so let's go. That extra elastic band really helps to make it really snugged and laid. Like, this is flat on my head, guys, like so flat. So I'm just gonna go ahead, proceed to, you know, installing this.
Cause those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, that I get when looking down from the sky.
Allow it to get tacky, guys, for like 2 minutes. Stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling have to say this actually holds well, and it melted the lace perfectly. It melted the lace. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but no baby hairs are done, by the way, right now. But I'm actually going to do my swoop because I just feel like, should I know some of you guys really don't mind like when I don't, but like okay guys, so I've decided I'm not going to do the baby hairs, just so you know, just for a switch up for today's video, today's look. So these are the curls that came in the wig. I'm combing it out. I really don't have to go in and recurl this. I love the loose waves. I'm not sure if they applied something to it though. It feels as if some product is like already in the hair. I'm not sure. It does feel a little bit like product is in the hair. I'm not sure. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm going to give it a little bit of layers here in the front. Yes. Yes, that's what we need. That's exactly what we need. So, oh my gosh, this is nice. Apart from it feeling like it has a little bit of product in there, it feels nice. It feels really good. I love the lace meltdown. I'm happy I decided to switch up the look today and not do any swoops. It's so nice. Lush wigs. I love the construction of the wig. I love the lace portion. That's it. Oh my gosh guys, I 10 out of 10 recommend this. The olive oil. No, the two of them goes hand in hand. The first time I guess I was just being lazy and I used this alone. I don't know, the two of them, this way less work than the got to be. I have to kind of hold the lace in place for a longer time for it to stick. Don't get me wrong, the hole is amazing. That got to be is what I've been using for like ever. Well, no, but you know what I mean. Got to be is what I use a lot. I'm happy I gave this a second chance. I'm happy I did, because now that I see how well it melted the lace and how neat it is, how much less messy it is, I don't have that residue look. You're like, you know, sometimes you use a got to be and you leave that shiny look. I don't like that. You know, this didn't leave me with that. And any area that probably is lifting or I want to hold, if you want maximum hold, then you go over it with the spray, and that can give you like a really great hold. I'm going to put all the specifications to this in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. The next thing I also noticed, I did get some shedding, you know, like all hair sheds, but nothing is coming out. No, I'm not sure if maybe that's due to when I cut the sides. You guys know sometimes it's longer than my ear portion, so I usually have to cut off some of that, but maybe it's that. I don't know. I'm not getting any shedding now. I'm not getting any now, but earlier on I did get some shedding. But yeah, that's the only thing. Apart from that, the construction of the wig is beautiful. Yeah, that's all for today. I am happy I tried that. I can't stop saying it. I can't. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Like this video, share this video, leave your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go on, big up on yourself. Bye.